You see? There was nothing you can do about it without the murder flooding the city. I've destroyed everything and everything and we loved and also meant the world to us. I wish you would cease to exist and die already and burn in hell already. And most of all, this is how we express our anger on four of you. You idiots! Now burn in hell! Everybody, go hammer a pepper bomb!
Oh no, I think I almost made a fatal mistake.
Everybody, we made a fatal mistake! Evacuate! Quickly! Just go to sleep!
Well, excuse me there, people.
Bless you, Ava.